Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the Kinky Straight 360 frontal wig from Afsisterwig. Guys, look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. I really love the packaging. It's so stylish and very cute. Anyways, I unboxed the hair for you guys to show you guys what came from the box. Like, the hair was in the box obviously, and there is also a wig cap in the box, and there is also an elastic strap in the box with an extra comb really, yeah. So that's what the hair look like, guys. The hair has 4 combs, 3 on the top of the hair and 1 at the back of the hair to secure the hair in case you don't want to use any glue. The wig is actually a 360 lace wig, so it's also a glueless wig. You don't need to apply gel or glue or anything at all. You might as well secure the wig with the elastic strap and the comb inside the wig. Guys, the texture of this wig is absolutely amazing. You're gonna see how I style the hair in a minute, but I decided to apply the wig and show you guys how I do that by applying the Got2b blasting spray on my cap, and I blow dried it and make sure it's died down, light and flat. Guys, I don't know what I'm saying anyway. So I cut the excess cap off my head and I move on by applying the bold old lace glue. I apply that on my forehead, although I clean my forehead by cleaning the areas where I would apply the glue first. After that I apply the glue on my forehead on the areas where I wanted the lace to sit. So I cut the lace of the wig. I applied 2 layers of the bold old glue on my forehead on the areas where I would like to apply the lace wig. Then I actually wait for the glue to dry down a bit, but unfortunately some of the areas of the glue were not drying quickly, so I just started to get on with it and apply the next layer. And after that I applied the lace on my wig, on my head. Seriously, I applied the lace on my head and I just laid the hair straight on the areas where I applied the glue, obviously, right? So I used my hand to press it down because my scarf was not handy, and I decided to style the hair, and that's all I did. And at the back I did the same thing. I applied the glue, but this time around I only applied 1 layer, guys, just 1 layer of the glue at the back of my head because I couldn't see my back really well. There's no one to help me to apply the lace at the back. I just decided to just get on with it really. So that's all I did for the applying the wig. But apart from that, the next thing I did was styling the wig. The wig is actually so soft, guys. It's so soft. So I just couldn't help myself by running my hand through it every minute, and I decided to show you guys all the style I would go for wearing this hair really. And I'm quite glad that the hair was really full and soft to touch, guys. Remember, you can style this hair anyhow you like. I really love this vendor because the shipping was really quick and they are quite responsive when it comes to communication, and also the vendor is really attentive to details. And I actually love how the hair feels on my head. It's so lightweight that I didn't even feel that I was wearing any wig at all. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about the Afsisterwig wig right here. This hair is giving me life, guys. This hair is giving me life, guys. Look at that. The hair is actually a 360 lace front wig, so you can actually have it as an updo. You can style it anyhow you like, but I'm loving it this way, guys. I'm just gonna go in straight and tell you guys what I like about the hair. I really love the quality of the hair and the texture of the hair. So the hair texture is kinky and the hair felt so much like my natural hair but longer. I really like the quality of the hair. There have been no shedding or tangling whatsoever, and I also like the fact that you can style the hair anyhow you like. The density is 130, but the hair felt really full, and I also like the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. You guys can already tell from the hairline, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. You don't have to do a lot. The hair has also been bleached straight from the box, so this hair is more like a beginner friendly hair. If you're worrying about the fact that you don't know how to pluck or bleach your knots, then this wig is definitely for you, because the knot has been bleached, the hairline has also been pre-plucked for you guys. And also good news for all the ladies out there that likes baby hair, the hair also have baby hair around the perimeters, but I decided that I'm not going for baby hair today. Also, from hair to hair, the hair fits me perfectly, guys. I'm wearing the cap medium and it feels so perfect. And look at the hairline, guys. The hairline has been pre-plucked to perfection. Look at that. It felt so much like my own real hair, but longer. And also the quality and texture of the hair is just amazing. And I really like about the hair is the fact that there have been no shedding or tangling at all. Also, there is 4 combs in the cap and there is one at the back as well. You can also wear this wig glueless or, you know, gel-less if you call it, because there's an elastic strap at the back of the wig to secure the hair in place in case you don't want to use any glue or gel. And also another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the 360 lace frontal wigs are always more affordable compared to lace frontal wig. Lace front wigs are always much more affordable compared to buying a normal lace front wig, and at the same time they have the same density and they have the same, you know, hair quality, but it's quite much affordable in terms of the price. And also I like the fact that you could, you know, style this wig anyhow you like and pat it anywhere you like. I also showed you guys how long the pat is at the beginning of this video, so you might as well see that you can, you know, pat it and style it anyhow you like. I like the quality of the hair so much, the fact that it does not shed or tangle at all. If I like your natural hair but you needed a protective style with an affordable hair, then I would definitely recommend this wig. The hair felt so natural and very soft to touch, and you can already tell how it falls just like your real natural hair. Bear in mind that you can treat this hair the same way you'd treat your own natural hair. You can straighten it, you can coil it, and you can leave it the way it is, the same way you'd have done to your own natural hair. And I'm loving the fact that I can style it anyhow I like, just like my natural hair but longer. So I'm really feeling the hair so far. I also like the fact that the box came with an elastic strap, so in case you don't want to apply gel or glue to the wig, you can also, you know, sew in the elastic band on the hair and you're good to go without having to stress or worry about anything at all. I like the packaging. The packaging is really cute. The packaging was so cute and very cheeky, like a classic gift box with, you know, ribbon all over it. That's really cute. I like that the hair does not tangle or shed at all. You can style the hair anyhow you like, guys, just like your natural hair but longer. So I'm quite loving it so far, and I would leave the details of the hair in the description box below. In case you guys are interested in the hair, please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think. But so far so good. I'm loving the hair. The hair is of good quality, and I love the fact that everything has already been done straight from the box. So if you're a novice about, you know, wearing lace wigs and all, then this hair is actually perfect for you. So you don't need to stress or worry about bleaching the knots or, you know, pre-plucking or plucking the hairlines or anything, because everything has already been done straight from the box. So that's my thoughts about the hair, guys. Please feel free to let me know. Please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.